Hello all. In this lecture we are going to see different concept in maths which is most important for all type of aptitude examinations, and the aptitude where they ask us the problems regularly. That's time, distance and speed. For the different problems we require three different type of formulas, mainly the distance equal to time into speed. That means if I want to calculate the distance, I have some kind of time and the speed. So with these two parameters I can find out the distance. In same manner, if I require time, distance divided by speed, that is the formula. For if I want to calculate the speed, that is distance divided by time. These are the three different formulas which we require to find out the different entities. One of the entities you have to find out, and in problem statement they will mention two different entities. Let's try to take one example and understand how to calculate distance, time and speed. So first example, a car is traveling with 3 hours time. A car is traveling with 3 hours time and speed is 30 km. If the speed is increases by 1 by 2, means 1.5 the time required. That means initially in a problem statement, what is speed? Speed is 30. This is given to us. Speed is 30. And what is the time required for that? What is time? Time required is 3 hours. And what is the condition? If the speed increases by 1.5. If the speed increases by 1.5. That means if I calculate 1.5, it's 2, 1, 3, it's 3 by 2. It's 1.5, that means 3 by 2. So that I will calculate the different aspects and will try to find out what is the time required. That means we'll try to find the answer in a simpler manner with easier step. What is the speed? What is speed increases? 3 by 2. What is speed increases? 3 by 2. That is because of that, if the speed is increases, that means in an opposite angle. In a opposite angle. What is required? That whatever the 6 into opposite 2 by 3. 2 by 3, 2 to cancel, 4. That is 4 hours. That means if the car is having 3 hours of time for 30 km, 3 hours of time and 30 km per speed. If the speed is increases, that means on the same distance, what is the required? That is nothing but 6 into 2 by 3 equal to 4. This way we have to calculate the different parameters. They will give you two parameters and you have to calculate the different. In this we have speed, we have time. In this problem statement, time and speed given to us. What is constant here? Constant is the distance. That means they have given you first time, first speed. In second, they have asked you speed is increased and you have to find out the time. On the purpose of this, distance is same. This is one of the aspects. That means you will give both the entities. One of the entities will get increase or decrease. You have to find out some other. We'll see what type of problems will be there. Something like time, speed. Distance is same. They will give you in first iteration time, second is speed, distance is fixed. If the time is increases, they will ask what is about that, and distance is fixed. This is one type. In the other type, they can decrease the time and they will ask us what is the value when it will decrease, and time is the distance is the fixed. These are different parameters. They may ask you different problem statements. Sometimes time will be fixed. Both parameters you have to calculate. Sometimes speed will be fixed. These two parameters you have to calculate. On the same line, they may ask you different problems on time, distance and speed. Thank you for the listening. In next lecture, we will see some more example on time, distance and speed. Thank you for the listening.